Hey everyone, welcome and or welcome back to my channel. So as y'all saw by the title, I will be installing a U-part wig today. I constructed this U-part wig and it is my first time ever installing or wearing a U-part wig. If you guys are interested in this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. I'm not going to keep you any longer. Let's get into it.
Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me, only you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only make me your matter. Make me your matter. Make me your matter. Show me a slot, make me a blossom, make me a blossom.
Okay, so right here, I am applying the Eva NYC Therapy. Dang, that's a long title. Eva NYC Therapy Session Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. I like this one, but since I've created this video, since then I have switched back to my TGIN hair mask, which is, thank God, it's natural. That's the brand. Excuse my voice cracking. There's nothing wrong with the Eva NYC. I just like the way the TGIN, I like the moisture that I get from it. But yeah, I usually apply this all over my head, put a shower cap on, well, a plastic bag or a shower cap, let it sit for 30 minutes, and then in order to lock in some more heat, I put my bonnet over it as well.
Thoughts of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you're heaven sent. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me both.
Okay, so like I said before, this is my first time doing this type of wig. So two things you will notice. My braid pattern incorrect. I have since then corrected it. I will link the video or the TikTok that I found down below that helped me with the proper braiding pattern. Also, to save you time, to save you from struggling, to save you from having issues with your wig, just order a U-part wig cap. I used a Dom wig cap. No, I wouldn't highly recommend it at all. Just order a U-part wig cap from Amazon or something. That's where I found mine. I'll link that down below for what I'll be using when I recreate this wig. And then also just make sure you have the correct braiding pattern. Also, this hair is from a couple years ago from a couple of different collabs. I want to get back into the wig game. I love hair. I love hair content. So that's the bundles that I use to create this unit.
Fantasy. Is anybody gonna remember me? If I go tonight, I doubt the world will change. I just pray they don't forget my name. These are game rules I can't lose. When it's all said and done, will I still be cool? Spent like 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. How much I'ma spend profiling? She come in and compliment my closet. Fuck her on the floor like I don't give a fuck about it.
And this is why having the correct braiding pattern is important, because as y'all can see, it was hard for me to cover the tracks. I was able to, I had to finesse it for real, but as y'all can see, it was hard for me to cover the tracks because the braiding pattern wasn't correct. Yes, it was still flat, but that foundation is what's really important.
Time at the turn up looking lonely. Then they wonder why I'm quiet at them house parties. Cause everybody see me. Throw some blunts and hit her once and that's me. A nigga wanna beat it, yeah. But they don't know if I need it. I feel like dying every season. I've been swimming in the deep end. All my bitches know I'm leaving. Some point, whether it's a reason. Nah, don't try giving me reasons to stop. Don't try giving me reason. Nah, don't try giving me reasons to stop. hear that? Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds.
I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did filming and creating, customizing this unit. Yes, it was trial and error, but through trial and error, we learn, right? So it wasn't a total loss, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me, and I will see you in the next. Have a blessed day.